everybody, Brooke Sanders here, your secret garden girl, and last week we had a chat. It was a good chat. I brought you all up to speed about what's been happening with me, and we are now home and in our new home base. I'm super excited about my little homestead, and the garden went in as far as just the fencing. Then we got hit by snow. Holy mackerel. So my phone, the little weather app that I use just exploded in my phone and started screaming, hunker down if you're in your car, get in your house. There's a white squall coming, and it was imminent, and I was home. And I thought, well, that's interesting. I had no idea what it was, what it meant, of course. And then all of a sudden, it got dark outside. Can't see nothing. It's very interesting, isn't it? A white squall. Go figure. How interesting. Which was really a bummer. Hopefully it was the last hurrah. So we weren't able to turn the soil. So that's going to happen this week. And when that happens, I'll be there to record it for you all so you all can see what's going on. But today, because we have Johnstown Joe, who lives across the way, I think I told you, but I'll remind you, Johnstown Joe is a groundhog, and he's a big boy, and he's been here for a long time. And he lives over at my neighbor's house, and we decided that we were going to try to cohabitate with him. Well, that's hard when you have a garden because they think that you're his new best friend and here to, you know, feed him, which isn't the case, of course. But we are going to try to live harmoniously, and I've been doing a lot of research, and I never really did find a solution from my research as to what to do with this. But I was thinking to myself as I was doing all this research, wait a minute, they dig, right? They're known to climb over fences if they're really desperate, but they really are diggers. And so I think what we're going to do today, and I'm going to bring you along with me because we'll go check out all the different varieties of what they have at Lowe's. But I think I'm going to take a rebar, about 2 feet of it. I was going to go 1 foot, and then I thought, I'm not so sure if that's going to be deep enough, and if we're going to do this, we might as well try to do it right the first time, okay? So we're going to go there and we're going to get some rebar, and then later this week we're going to drive that rebar around the perimeter of the entire garden, and that way if he does get in and he does start digging, he's going to hit a lot of rebar, and I'm going to go about every 6 inches or so apart, and we'll see how that works. And as far as the deer are concerned, oh my goodness, I found a remedy, and it has been approved by some master gardeners. They verified it, and so I'm super excited. You're going to have to stay tuned for that one. Okay, y'all ready? Let's go to Lowe's. Let's go see what they have to help us to keep Johnstown Joe where he belongs. All right, see you there. it here safe and sound. You ready to go inside, Rose? You ready to go inside? Say, come on, everybody, let's go. See you inside. Okay, so the guy said aisle 20. There we go. Yep, there's the rebar. There it is. Okay, let's go. Aha. Here we go. And I already went online and looked at it. That's a 1 foot. Okay, let's see. This is what I'm gonna get. Because I don't think I need it to be any bigger than this. Yeah, 2 feet. That ought to do it. Okay. I gotta get 38. I'll get 40 just to be safe. Okay, we made it home. Golly, aren't those gentlemen at Lowe's nice? They just fell in love with Rosie, but who doesn't love a rose, right? She's so darn cute, and she does love to go there because everybody's so friendly with her, and she's allowed in, so nobody kind of gives her any of those sideways glances like, what are you doing in here? Okay, so the next time that you see me, I'll be driving rebar into the ground, and you'll be able to watch me do that. And then we'll talk about deer and some of the remedies that I've come up with, and it'll be a trial and error. You'll be able to live, learn off of me, learn what to do and what not to do, right? Alrighty, so that's it for us today. And if you like these kinds of videos, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, talk to me in the comments. You know me, I'll always say hi back or answer questions. And subscribe if you just sort of fell onto this video, because we have lots of really fun adventures coming ahead of us. I was at Sandy Bell, this really neat place. Oh my goodness, you guys. That's the next video also. I'll squeeze that in. Really neat people. It's a 501c3, and I'm going to do a series of awesome videos for them, so we'll talk more about that. All right, I've got much to do. That's us for today. We'll see you next time, and until I see you again, be sure to get your bibs on, get outside, and garden on. We'll see you next time, folks. Bye.